Hello friends, just when one thought that the conservative right-wingers were on the ascendant in Europe, something surprising happened. The elections in two politically polarized European democracies have created quite a hubbub in the political circles. The recent electoral victories of leftist liberal parties in the France elections and UK elections have sparked discussions about the broader implications for political dynamics across Europe. While these victories are noteworthy, they may not indicate a widespread retreat of rightist or conservative parties. Political landscapes are shaped by a multitude of factors, including country specific contexts, electoral cycles, regional variations, coalition dynamics, and global trends. Each European country has a unique political landscape influenced by its historical, cultural, and socio-economic context. Therefore, electoral outcomes in one country may not indicate a broader trend across the continent. In the UK, the Labour Party's victory in the 2024 UK elections can be attributed to several factors specific to that nation. The Labour Party's successful campaign focused on economic inequality, healthcare, and climate change. The Conservative Party, on the other hand, faced criticism over its handling of Brexit and public services. The electoral system, with its first past the post mechanism, played a role in Labour's victory by amplifying the impact of local dynamics and voter preferences. The system favors larger parties and can lead to significant swings in parliamentary representation, even with relatively minor changes in vote share. France's political landscape has undergone significant shifts, particularly in response to President Emmanuel Macron's centrist policies. The growing success of leftist parties in the France elections reflects widespread discontent with perceived inadequacies in addressing social inequalities, climate change, and economic challenges. Key figures like Jean-Luc Mélenchon have gained traction by advocating for stronger social protections and ambitious environmental reforms. The French electoral system, combining presidential and parliamentary elections, adds complexity. The two-round voting system in presidential elections can lead to strategic voting, while proportional representation in parliamentary elections fosters a multi-party landscape. This fragmentation often necessitates coalition building, as seen in the current National Assembly, where Macron's party lacks an absolute majority. Recent protests, such as those against pension reforms, have further energized left-leaning movements. However, the political right, including Marine Le Pen's National Rally, remains a significant force, creating a polarized and dynamic political environment in France. Elections occur periodically and results can fluctuate based on current events, leadership changes, and public sentiment. The performance of political parties is often cyclical, with periods of dominance followed by declines. Despite recent leftist victories, rightist parties have shown resilience and adaptability. For example, in the 2022 Italian general election, the right-wing coalition led by Giorgia Meloni's Brothers of Italy secured a significant victory. This success was attributed to their focus on immigration control, national sovereignty, and economic policies that resonated with voters. Rightist parties may regain ground in subsequent elections by adapting their platforms to address emerging voter concerns. Leadership changes and strategic repositioning can also play a crucial role. For instance, the Conservative Party in the UK might recover by selecting a new leader who can unify the party and present an interesting vision for the future. The Spain politics has been undergoing shifts for quite a while now. After a series of corruption scandals and electoral defeats, Spain's major conservative party, the People's Party, underwent a leadership change in 2018. Under the new leadership of Pablo Casado and later Alberto Núñez Feijóo, the party repositioned itself and made significant changes in regional elections. In the 2023 general elections, the PP emerged as the largest party, although it fell short of a majority. Europe is a diverse continent with varying political climates in different regions. Accordingly, European political parties have been adapting and calibrating political ideologies. Voter trends show that while some countries have seen a shift towards leftist parties, others continue to lean towards conservative parties. In Central and Eastern Europe, right-wing parties have maintained strong positions. Hungary's Fidesz party, led by Viktor Orban, has been in power since 2010, emphasizing nationalism, anti-immigration policies, and traditional values. Similarly, Poland's Law and Justice Party has remained influential, focusing on conservative social policies and judicial reforms. These countries' political landscapes are shaped by their historical experiences and concerns about national identity and sovereignty. In contrast, Western Europe has witnessed more dynamic political shifts. Countries like Spain and Portugal have seen the rise of leftist parties driven by economic concerns and demands for social justice. However, even in these countries, rightist parties remain significant players in the political arena. Portugal's Socialist Party has been in power since 2015, initially as part of a left-wing coalition known as the Contraption. In the 2022 election, the party won an outright victory. This has changed the Portugal political landscape significantly. European politics often involve coalition governments where no single party gains an outright majority. The formation of coalitions can significantly influence the balance of power and policy direction. Germany's political system continues to be characterized by coalition governments. The federal election in 2021 resulted in a coalition between the Social Democrats, the Greens, and the Free Democrats. This coalition, known as the Traffic Light Coalition, due to the party's traditional colors, has been governing since December 2021 under Chancellor Olaf Scholz. The coalition reflects a compromise between center-left and environmental and liberal economic policies. While the alliance has faced challenges including disagreements on issues such as climate policy and budget constraints, it has managed to maintain stability. The ongoing necessity of coalition building in German politics continues to highlight the importance of negotiation and policy compromises in shaping governance. As of 2024, the coalition has also been dealing with rising inflation and energy concerns, further testing its ability to navigate complex economic landscapes. Italy's political landscape is another example of coalition dynamics. The country's proportional representation system often results in fragmented parliaments. The 2018 election saw the formation of a coalition between the Five Star Movement or M5S and the right-wing League Party. The coalition was later replaced by an alliance between M5S and the centre-left Democratic Party or PD, demonstrating the fluidity and complexity of the coalition-based Italian politics. Global events and trends also play a significant role in shaping political landscapes. Economic crisis, migration, and climate change are some factors that influence voter preferences and party strategies. Economic downturns can lead to shifts in political power. The 2008 financial crisis, for instance, resulted in significant political changes across Europe. Austerity measures and economic hardships led to the rise of populist parties on both the left and the right. In the Greek elections, the leftist Syriza party rose to power in the aftermath of the financial crisis. Led by Alexis Tsipras, Syriza formed an unlikely coalition with the right-wing independent Greeks, united by their opposition to austerity measures. The party campaigned on a platform of debt renegotiation, and social welfare expansion. However, Syriza's anti-austerity stance clashed with the demands of international creditors, leading to intense negotiations with the European Union and International Monetary Fund. Despite initial resistance, the party ultimately accepted many of the creditors' terms to secure bailout funds, causing internal divisions and disappointment among supporters who had hoped for a more radical economic reforms. Migration is another critical issue influencing European politics. The 2015 refugee crisis had a profound impact on political opinion and party dynamics. Right-wing parties capitalized on concerns about immigration and national identity, gaining support in countries like Germany, Sweden, and Austria. However, leftist parties have also responded by advocating for inclusive policies and social integration. Environmental issues have affected the European politics, influencing the rise of green parties and shaping policy agendas. The rise of green parties in countries like Germany and Belgium reflects the growing importance of these issues for voters. The trend highlights the intersection of leftist and environmental policies in shaping the future political landscape. Looking ahead, several potential scenarios could shape the political landscape of Europe. As climate change becomes an increasingly urgent issue, we might see stronger alliances between traditional leftist parties and green parties. This could lead to more comprehensive policy approaches combining social justice and environmental protection. Economic uncertainties, ongoing migration challenges, or perceived threats to national identity could fuel a resurgence of right-wing populist parties. This might be pronounced in countries facing economic difficulties or those at the forefront of migration routes. In response to polarization, we might see the formation of broad centrist coalitions, bringing together moderate elements from both the left and right to promote stability and gradual reform. The impact of automation and artificial intelligence on employment could reshape political allegiances. Parties that address these challenges and offer interesting or compelling visions for the future of work may gain significant support. The ongoing tension between further European integration and nationalist tendencies could lead to realignments across the political spectrum. Pro-EU parties or pro-European Union parties might form alliances across traditional left-right divides, while Eurosceptic parties could find common ground despite ideological differences. We might witness the emergence of new political movements that transcend national left-right categorizations, focusing on issues such as digital rights, intergenerational equity, or radical democratic reforms. While the recent electoral victories of leftist parties in the UK and France are significant, they do not necessarily signal a universal retreat of rightist parties across Europe. Political dynamics are multifaceted, influenced by country-specific contexts, electoral cycles, regional variations, coalition dynamics, and global trends. The resilience of rightist parties, the diversity of political climates across Europe, and the complex nature of coalition politics underscore the fluidity of the continent's political landscape. The analysis of various case studies and electoral outcomes across Europe demonstrates the complexity and diversity of political situations. From the strong position of right-wing parties in Hungary and Poland to the leftist governments in Portugal and the rise of green parties in Germany, the European political landscape defies simple categorization. Future elections and ongoing global events will continue to shape the growing political dynamics in Europe. The impact of economic challenges, migration, climate change, and technological disruption will probably play crucial roles in determining voter preferences and party strategies. There will also be an impact in EU policies and EU governance. As Europe faces these challenges, political parties across the spectrum will need to adapt, form new alliances, and present compelling visions for the future to maintain relevance and gain support. The potential scenarios outlined above suggest that European politics may become increasingly complex and nuanced, moving beyond traditional left-right divisions. The interplay between national and European level politics, the rise of new political movements, and the ongoing negotiation between different visions of Europe's future will continue to shape the continent's political landscape in the years to